What's up, guys? I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the new Spektrum S2200 Smart G2 charger for you. This is just the unboxing. We'll do another video with the going over the menus and stuff next. So when you first get it, comes in a pretty nice box. Hard. Check out some of the quick specs here. I'm not going to read them all off for you. This is the new G2 one. I'm pretty familiar with the G1s, I guess. This one is, they've done some nice updates. We're building in both plugs, new interface, obviously a whole new look for the charger, big fan on the back. It looks pretty nice. Let's go ahead and crack it open. I already cut the tape on the back side for you. Just gonna slide it open here. Come on. There it goes. Right on top. Nice little QR code. Instruction manual, of course. Give that a read through. Breaks it down for you. Open it up. Let's see what we got here. So this side here, we got the charger right here up front. Get that out of there. See what we got in the back here. Looks like just a power cord, of course. And that's all we get in there, to be expected. Charger itself, take a quick look at this. Nice looking charger. The new thing I do like with this one here is both plugs are built in. No more adapters. Didn't really care for that on the last one. Nice new buttons. These are rubber textured. Nice click to them. They feel nice. Some more rubber on the side here. It's got a good weight to it. Nice rubber feet on it so it doesn't slide around. Looks like lots of cooling. Massive fan in the back. Power switch. Some quick settings or outputs. It does 1 to 6S. So overall, first impressions, feels pretty good, looks pretty good. The doors kind of stick a little bit, but could just because it's new. But yeah, it's just a quick unboxing of that. I do also have the battery here. I can throw that in there real quick. Check that one out real quick if you guys want. This is the new G2. This is a 3-cell, the 50C. Nice foam box here. So that's the new G2s. As you can see, no more balance lead. This goes 100% by the charger. If you check out the box, they all have a chip in them now. Auto discharge, only one connector. So now, if you're gonna use these new G2 Spektrums, you gotta use this charger. We'll get more on that in the next video. Check out the next vid. We're going over some of the menus. Thanks for watching.